Hello traders, this is Jeff. This will be my trade review of the week April 17th to April 21st, 2023. This was another quiet week for me. I didn't do too much. We'll start off with CTRA SOXL Energy. But before we do that, if you enjoy this content, subscribe to the channel, maybe like the video. I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. So this is the daily chart of SOXL. Let's zoom in here. Okay, Monday I wasted a really nice opportunity to sell a call. This was the Monday candle, the 17th. Note the high of the day, $26. That happened in the first 5 minutes of the day on Monday. Let's drill down to maybe a 5-minute chart. Okay, this is 5 minutes. This is Monday. And look and notice in the first 5-minute candle, we had a high of $26. Well, the $26 calls that expired on Friday the 21st were 30 by 35 cents. I thought I'd let it trade a little bit. Maybe we would pop up. I actually put an order out at 40 cents, and of course, we never saw 40 cents on the ask, and the stock just sold off for the rest of the day. Then on Tuesday, we had a nice 15-minute run up to a high of, what, 25.94. I believe the call premium was around maybe 25 by 30, 20 by 25. Can't remember for sure. Anyway, so I piddled around until Wednesday. Let's bring in a 15 here. See which day was Wednesday. This is Wednesday right here. So I think on this surge right here, I wound up taking a dime for a $26 call. And then it just expired worthless as the week ran out here. I do like the daily pattern. I wish we could rally up over 26 because that would give me the opportunity to sell a 26 or 26.50 call for pretty good premium. So here's where I'm at. I've taken in $303 in dividends and options on this trade so far. Brings my net cost to $21.97. So just a small crumb of a profit this week on SOXL. Next up is Coinbase. I took another trade in Coinbase this week. Let's zoom in. We got a daily chart up. So on Thursday, with coin coming off of the highs in the lower 70s and basically 3 down days, coming into some support down here, and the 200 period moving average, which is the red line, I sold a cash secured put for April 28th expiration. I sold the 55 strike, got $1.12 for that. I like the support down here at 55. I also wouldn't mind picking up shares down at 55, thinking if I get shares, we pop 5 or 10 points, I could sell covered calls and or just sell the stock. Next up is SOXL, which has been frustrating the last 2 or 3 weeks. We've come off these highs around 18. You know, we've been up there 3 times in the last couple months, and we've been trading down now into the 15s, 16s. We even dipped below 15 this week. This is a daily. Let's bring in a 15-minute because I actually took another trade on this yesterday. This is 15. Kind of zoom in here. So yeah, on the opening hour on Friday, I sold another $13.50 cash secured put for April 28th expiration. I got 26 cents for that. I had a $13.50 put that was going to expire yesterday. That expired worthless. I wasn't able to sell any calls in this product this week, so I'm still sitting with a sizable position with an average cost of $18.39, which is represented by my red horizontal line on the chart here. So, I don't know, the semis just can't get up and run along with the rest of the market. So with that little shekel of profit in the put, that brings my total option premium and dividend total to just under $2,500 in this product. My net cost is $14.83, so looking out to next week, perhaps I should be selling calls underneath my average cost of $18.39 or going out further in time. Let's take a look at the option chain. So there won't be anything for April 28th up in the 1850 area. Whoops. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Get rid of some of these columns here. Bring in some more strikes. Yeah, 1850 won by 2 cents. Looking out to May 5th, 1857 by 9 cents. You know, if the 1850s for 2 weeks could get up to around 20 cents, I think it would definitely be worth doing. We're probably going to have at least a dollar and a quarter move, I think, in the underlying to get there. Now, if we look out to May 12th, which would be 3 weeks, even 3 weeks out, the premium's 14 by 18 cents. So I had been selling some premium underneath my average cost and above my net cost. Really don't want to get called away under my average cost, but it really wouldn't bother me to be flat this position. So let's take a look out to next week. And where could we get 20 cents? Wow, all the way down to $16. I think that's I don't think that would be a wise move. I could see us getting over 16 next week. 16.5 is only 10 by 12. Looking out 2 weeks, the 17s are over 20 cents and up around that 25-cent area, which is another spot I like to sell. 17 halves are only 15 by 18. It'd just be nice if the SOXL put in a couple of nice solid green days. Give a trader a chance to sell some calls. So what I'll probably do is kind of sit on hands, wait for the underlying to pop some, make a decision. I think that's about all for this week. That's all I did was the CTRA call, the coin put, and the SOXL put. Now on Monday with CTRA, let's take a look here and see. Oh no, that's 2 weeks out, I'm sorry. Well, 15 by 20 cents. So, what I'd like to do with CTRA is be patient, wait for some kind of a green surge, some kind of a price surge, sell a $26 call. I'll probably do it front week. Don't want to wait too long in the week as the premium deteriorates. And this company does have earnings, I believe, on May 2nd. So got to keep that in mind too. Yeah, May 4th actually. May 4th. So I think that's all for this week. I appreciate you watching. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you next time.